Welcome to Arkansas, the beautiful Ozark Mountains where I'm from. Well, good morning right here from Arkansas. Louis Williams is up to bat this morning. With the gobblers being right with the hens here, we knew they were henned up. The key is to get in close and tight on your setup. Try different calls. I can't emphasize how much it can make a difference by trying a mouth call, box call, slate call, whatever you can work and work it good. Patience. I knew if I just kept going out there periodically and just letting that gobbler know where I'm at, that he would break loose from those hens. Oh, longbeards. God has blessed me with some incredible hunts. Double dog, baby. As my daddy always said, never forget where you came from.
Dominator 365 is brought to you by Elite Archery, Hawk Optics, Realtree, MMC Armory, the Tattletale Decoy, Dual Game Calls, Solid Broadheads, Scott Releases, CBE Sights,
Dominator Toothbrush,
and Winner's Choice Bowstrings.
Well, right off the bat, no sad daddy longbeard gobbling in the canyon, but it sounds to me like he's at least close to a mile away. Patience. I knew if I just kept going out there periodically and just letting that gobbler know where I'm at, that he would break loose from those hens. And got back, got set up, guess what? Gobbler comes in with attitude just like he liked it. He comes right to Bubby Jake and he commences to thumping on his head. That gobbler caught something out of his peripheral vision and off he goes like this. Well, out of instinct, boom. The wadding looks like it bounces off that gobbler's head. But he started to take the flight right in that hawk scope. I let it in. Gobbler down. Holy smoke. He's a heavy bird. Look at that. Isn't he a big sad daddy? Here in my home state of Northwest Arkansas, it's a youth hunt and little Taylor Eastwood is up to bat. She's only 7 years old. Let's see how this girl is to pull it out of the hat at the last minute. Good job. Y'all, here we are. It's our second day of the youth hunt here, and little Miss Taylor got her gobbler, didn't you, honey? Did you enjoy that hunt? It's raining, everything in the world that could go wrong. We didn't have anything happening this morning. It was so windy. About 9:30, we decided to get back over here when we broke broke down those blinds and everything to get back over here. And the key was to get out of the wind down here low. And look at this meadow, it's beautiful. And these turkeys have been frequenting here. Millie and them been seeing them here. The folks that's letting us hunt, I guess, have been seeing the turkeys in here. And I had been sitting there yanking on those calls, and we had just moved the blind, set up and everything. It was crazy, wasn't it?
It was awesome, though. I mean, it just turned out like it was supposed to.
I want y'all to meet my good friend and landowner, Louis Williams. That's where the story ends. That's where the new journey begins. Well, good morning right here from Arkansas. Louis Williams is up to bat this morning. With the gobblers being right with the hens here, we knew they were henned up. The key is to get in close and tight on your setup. And the turkey hunting celebration begins. It's only 7, so he's probably shot at what, 658? The key is on this hunt was getting tight and getting a decent setup. And these 4 2-year-olds, I figure all of them are 2-year-olds, broke and came right into the decoys. Once they locked in, they came down. We had the sun behind us. That's another key to the hunt. The rest is history, buddy. Ain't over yet, so stick around. Dominator 365, where it's game day every day. Hey y'all, meet my good friends and taxidermist Jay Jackson and his lovely wife Suzanne on a turkey hunt you don't want to miss. Yes. Oh my God.
Should I shoot it again? Should I shoot it again?
No.
Should I shoot it again?
No. Babe,
Thanks the dear Lord.
Tell me we didn't work for that sucker right there.
Oh God.
Oh, I don't know how it all went down. Oh, we've had that turkey within 15 steps a while ago, Suzanne, and we moved on him 5 times today. And he come right behind us like he's been doing. Went down there and strutted, and I started whining and kicking to him. He come right back. Oh my goodness, this is awesome. Yes.
Congrats, Suzanne. That's the way to get it done. Don and I was supposed to be headed to the Baldy's event and be headed on the road the next morning, but we wanted to give it one last try because I had one more tag left. Good morning to you, right here from Arkansas. Last chance opportunity. I'm kind of back in the same area where I shot that one the other day. Don't be afraid to call and let them know that you're the first hen in the area. I don't know, buddy. We sat here about another 20, 30 minutes. And then all of a sudden, here comes Gobblers with an attitude. And buddy, the show was about to begin. This old trigger finger was itching and a twitching. All I know is we just had gobblers running everywhere. There were 5, 6 of them anyway. Longbeards are coming in, and I'm just sitting up trying to be patient, waiting on my shot.
We are done in Arkansas, buddy. Thank you, Mr. Don. Oh, longbeards.
Bella goes off, gobbler hits the ground. We run out there and we look, and I had dead centered Don's GoPro.
I guess the GoPro still works because that's the one that took the hit for the team this morning.
Yeah.
Look at here.
Couple thick bearded son of guns, but you know what? I'm gonna say that's probably about a 10-inch beard, I think, Don. His head. And I got them up here. They locked in right there, and buddy, did they put on the show. Right now, the key to success is change up your cadence. Do gobbler yelps along with hen yelps. Try different calls. I can't emphasize how much it can make a difference by trying a mouth call, box call, slate call, whatever you can work and work it good. Decoys, try different positions. Separate the hen and the gobbler and also put them in the breeding position.
We have a show all longbeards.
Hey, I hope y'all have enjoyed this week's show here in my home state of Arkansas. Join us next week on Dominator 365 for a brand new episode. And thank you for joining Dominator 365, where it's game day every day.